Hello everyone, my name is Awais Takal and today in this video I'm going to explain about the core services provided by the banks, banks need for ICT and the benefits of using ICT in banking sector. Let's start with core services provided by the bank. Core banking is often associated with retail banking and many banks treat the retail customers as their core banking customers. Businesses are usually managed via the corporate banking division and of the institutions. Core banking covers basic depositing and lending of money. Some of the major services that banks provides are customer loan, customer resources, and digital banking. As digital banking is one of the popular services provided by the bank, I'm going to talk a little bit about that. The ability to manage customer finances online from computer, tablet, or smartphone is becoming more and more important these days. Banks will typically offer digital banking services that includes online banking, mobile check deposited, text alert, e-statement, and online bill pay. The banks are also needs to concern about is security and privacy issues for the bank loans. Well-trained employees can provide the terms, conditions, and policies of the bank so that the customer will get all the required information about the loans. Moreover, for e-banking, there must be the system of automated logout which will prevent the unauthorized user from accessing so that it will be more secure for the users. And let's go to the bank's need for ICT. These days, business environment is being more dynamic and undergoes through rapid changes due to technological innovations, awareness, and requirements of customers. Business organization, especially banking industry, of the century is going through complex and competitive situation characterized by rapid changes in conditions and unexpected economic climate. Information and communication technology is the center of this change. ICT directly affects how managers or banks decide how they plan and how what kind of products and services needs to be offered in the banking industry. Let's talk about workload. Workload and independent services of collection of codes that can be executed. It is the amount of work or data that needs to be accomplished by a computer in certain period of time. There are different types of workloads and one of them is batch workload. This workload is designed to operate at the background. It can proceed huge amount of data so that it requires considerable compute and storage resources. The data generated from millions of online transactions such as customers' credit card bills and data from proceed checks all includes in this batch workload type. Another workload type is transactional workload type. These are the automation of business process such as billing and online transactions. Last one is analytic workload. Huge organizations such as banks are using analytic service to make sense of the vast amount of data in a complex banking environment. In this type of workload, an emphasis is placed to analyze the data or information. Okay, I'm going to talk about the benefits of using cloud technology in banking sector. Cloud-based technology have been leading towards efficiency, accuracy, and cost reduction across different industries for quite a long time now. Cloud provides efficiency, allowing involve everyone in a single format so that it can be placed securely and effectively to evaluate the matter. For Commonwealth Bank as well, cloud has reduced time and cost to evaluate the matter. The time and cost of establishing new server from 8 weeks and several $1,000 to 8 minutes and 25 cents. Due to that, bank is getting more responsive towards the customer demands, and some of the benefits are improved flexibility, auto scalability, and business continuity. Let's talk about use of major mainframes in major banks. The rise of startups, the emergence of new technologies, including big data and faster networks. Slowly, the distributed computing is replacing the traditional centralized computing. In other words, as the cloud and mobile computing has been introduced to this world, mainframes are becoming obsolete technology. Though mainframes are not going out of date this soon, mainframe has been used in different sectors such as banking, healthcare, and emergence of cloud and mobile computing. Mainframes are being also used. Here are some reasons behind that. And One is reliability. Mainframes with their hardware and software are capable of performing in consonance. That is, the output is flawless. For example, as banks have to deal with decimal arithmetic along with 100% accuracy, mainframes maintains millions of transactions per second. Availability. Banks cannot afford any problem in system. Small problem can decrease the customer for a bank. For instance, if a customer getting problem with checking balance or withdraw money, they might change the banks. Mainframes helps banks to avoid placing closed stack outside the ATM. Another one is security and analytical speed. Banks have to deal with ATM operations, credit card usage, management capital, and many more. Each process needs instant response that can be provided by mainframe only with the high clock speed of 5.5 GHz, which supports banks in critical times. To conclude, ICT is taking banking industry one step further, and it can be expected that the banking sector will be more advanced and developed due to ICT. Thank you. This much for the video.